X to the 4 plus x plus 1 equal to 0. We want to find all possible values of x, real values of x. So here, you can say, for example, let's draw 2 lines to draw the graph approximately in one. This graph is 3. Okay. And if it is, for example, in -1, it is what? It is 1. Okay. And we can say after this, let's take derivative. It will be 4x cubed plus 1. So here we will see after in x greater than 0, it's positive, increasing. Okay. So 0, it is what? It is 1. So it is, let me draw with other color graph. Is this something like this, increasing? And let's consider an x less than 0. In x, if x is less than 1, suppose it is, for example, y prime is this. So if x is less than -1, x cubed less than -1, or x cubed less than -4, and 4x cubed plus 1 is less than -4 plus 1 is -3. So it is decreasing, okay? It is decreasing. It is 4. So if we have any answer, it should be between -1 and 0, okay? Now, if we analyze between -1 and 0, let's consider if x is between -1 and 0. X to the 4 will be between less than 1, greater than 0. And x to the 4, it is x to the 4. X is from between -1 and 0, so 1 plus x will be what? 1 plus x is greater than 0, less than 1. So if we add these two things, x to the 4 plus 1 plus x, because both of them positive, so their sum is positive, and it is equal to y. So we understand in this interval also y is positive. So there is no answer for this problem. One way was this. Let me tell you another solution without calculating, because if you don't know, for example, the derivative is what? You want to only solve with basic solutions. You say x to the 4 plus x plus 1. Okay, so let's write it as perfect sum of some squares. You should know these two identities, that a plus b squared equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, one identity, and also for minus a minus b squared is a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Okay, here you say x4 minus x squared over 2, then half of x squared. X squared over 2 will be cancelled, plus 2x. Then if you add 1, you can use this identity, and I want to write, I say x squared minus 1 over 4 squared plus 1 half x plus 1 squared. So let's see what we have. X to the 4, we have x squared will be cancelled because -1 x squared will be cancelled. 2x over 2 is x. Then we have 1 over 16 here, 1 over 2 here. So we have 1 here. So we should say minus 1 over 16 minus 1 over 2 plus 1 equal to 0. Okay. So if it is 0, we can erase this, and we found these ways. So some of these numbers. Now, this number is what? 1 minus 1 over 2 is 1 over 2. Or 8 over 16. 8 minus 1, 7 over 6. Okay. So this part is at least 0. This part is at least 0. This part is positive. So some of them is positive. So it cannot be 0. It was another solution only based on identities. If you had questions, send message to my WhatsApp number, and please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell, and like the video. Thanks. Bye.